How to connect Supabase to n8n. So in this video, we will discuss how you can connect Supabase integrations to n8n. First thing you need to do is to head over to their website, which is n8n.io. You can either get started for free if you do not have an account yet, or click onto the sign in if you already have. Now, once you have actually signed in or signed up, you should be able to see in here this. What we can do is we can head over and then click onto this create workflow. From in there, this will open our workflow editor. What we can do is we can just wait for this to load, and once it's done loading, add in here the first step. Now on your first step right here, this will actually send in here our actual first step. You can add in your starting point based on what you want. For example, right here, let's input right here on chat message as our first step. Now in here, we have in here this node. You can add some fields and test this if you would want. Now in here, you can click on this add new one. And then for this one, you can add Supabase or other nodes. You can try to search in here for node option. We have in here these nodes like Hugging Face. We also have Open Router and the likes. If you try to search in here for Supabase, you can see our Supabase right here. Just head over and click on that. And you can choose in here which kind of action you want for your actual workflow. For example, let's click on this create row. And then just input right here the parameters such as credentials to connect with, resources, settings, and the like. And then just edit it according to your liking. And after that, as you can see, it will be added onto this particular part. So I hope this video helped you out. And if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. If you got a question, just drop it in the comments.